guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing I Hope You Know by Mike Williams and Jonas Aden, or Aden, I don't know. This is a very easy song. We're gonna play it without the capo because it's composed in G major. Okay, so let's get right into it. So for your verse, he starts with this whole this is basically 357 okay, so this is a D7 over B minor, but instead of playing that in frets 2 and 3, you're playing that in frets you're playing it in frets 7 and 8. Okay, now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords. You can learn them there and then come back here for your progressions. But anyways, I will put it in the description, by the way. That's the intro, basically. He just plays this like just a little bit, and he's muting, yeah? And then we go to E minor, G, where he goes, are you the one to call? So that's E minor to G, C, G again, C, G, D. Okay, so that's E minor, G, C, G again, C again, G, and then we go to D. And my strumming pattern here is E down, 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 down. You're basically just strumming down to the rhythm of the song, okay? Okay, so next up is the pre-chorus. I know a place. This is E minor to G. Okay, let's play that together. So we have E minor to G, C to G, C to G again, and then we play D. So now I'm kind of just muting because we're going into like a beat drop kind of thing. And then the other strum that you can do is a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. So this is the part where we're doing the beat drop. And we're playing E minor, C, G, D. So that's E minor, C, G to D, okay? And here, this is where you can play the whole. Alright, if you guys are interested in that fingerstyle tutorial, let me know in the comment section below and I will get to that. But for this video, that's been it. You just need to know how to play the song. And yeah, just my advice is try everything out. Try the beginner way to play, just strumming and everything. And then also try putting the riffs and everything. And see where you're really at with your guitar playing. And because, you know, we're not really working right now, we're stuck home, it's the best time to just enhance your guitar skills and stuff. So do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.